So occasionally it's important for us to be able to convert between degrees and radians or vice versa. And so we need to know how to do that. And basically it just works by setting up proportions. And using the fact that 180 degrees is pi radians. And 180 degrees halfway around the circle. You're thinking of the unit circle, the arc length there, half the circumference of the unit circle is pi. So pi radians is 180 degrees. So the way you do this, just make a ratio out of it, so that a fraction. Pi radians over 180 degrees equals x radians over y degrees. So you'll either know what the x radians is, you'll know what x is, or you'll know what y is. And from there, from there you can figure out the other one. So if I know y, I can find x. If I know x, I can find y. That's how you translate from radians to degrees and degrees to radians. Okay, just remembering radians over degrees equals radians over degrees. You can do it the other upside down as well. It doesn't matter. Degrees over radians equals degrees over radians. Just make sure that if you have radians on top on the left, radians are on top on the right. Or if radians are on bottom on the left, radians are on bottom on the right. Just make sure it's consistent that way. Okay, so it's just a portion. It's like finding miles per gallon if you've done those problems. So the value you are converting from goes into one of these. And the other one is the one you're converting to. It's that simple. Okay, so for example, 20 degrees, convert it to radians. Okay, well, pi over 180 equals x radians over 20 degrees. See, the degrees match up. The degrees are both on the bottom. I like to put the variable on top, but if I didn't, it doesn't matter. You're just going to cross multiply these things. It's not hard. So the 20 just goes here, because proportions, you can always do that cross multiplying. So 20 just goes here. You get 20 over 180, which is 1/9, so that's pi over 9. It's not hard. Even wrote it out for you, pi over 9. Right? The zeros cancel, 2 over 18 is 1/9.